Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Elmer's Gue slimes that I got from Walmart. They were $15, but let's get straight into this video. So here it is. I got the Unicorn Dream Pack, and I'm going to be reviewing all of them on how fun they are and how I think you guys would like them. So each of them were basically $5. So let's get straight into this. Let's open it. So since the first one that wants to be chosen is this one, it's Unicorn Magic, and it comes with a gold leaf. So let's open this one first and review it. It says it's scented, but let's see how good its scented is as. I could open it. So I finally got it open, and let's open this. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little top that goes on top. I'm pretty sure this is a gold leaf, but let's open it to find out. Let's actually open the slime first to see how it smells like. Oh, that's cool. It has like a little seal right there. Let's see if I can take it off, because I usually struggle with these kind of openings. Let's see what it smells like. I think it's supposed to be scented like bananas. I can't really tell, but it's like a mix of soap and chemicals, but it's really not that bad. It's so stretchy. That's cool. Take it all out, see how it's like. It's really clicky and stretchy. I didn't expect it to be this good. I didn't think it was gonna be so good since it was a store-bought slime. This is the first time I'm touching Elmers Gue slimes, but I'm really impressed. I didn't think it was gonna be this stretchy. And it smells kind of good. It still has like that chemical underscent, but it kind of smells like soap too. So let's add in the gold leaf to see what it looks like. It is cool though. I like the concept that they added. It's called Unicorn Magic, so it's like glitter and magical. So let's mix it in. It looks so good. It's so shimmery now. It's so much fun. So I actually like this one a lot because it smells good and it's really stretchy and pokeable. But the only con is when you mix it in, the gold leaf sticks to your hands. But I'll try to take it off in another slime. But I would rate this out of a 10, an 8, because it could be better, but the add-ins weren't that great. So I would give it an 8 out of 10. But it is very fun. So let's get into the next one. So the next one that we're gonna do from this is the Unicorn Butter. So let's just take this one out and see how it is. So it's a clear slime and it has pink clay, so that seems fun. I never touched their clear texture before, so let's see how it is. If I could open it again. They gave us a packet of pink air dry clay. So let's see how this one is. It's the Unicorn Butter, and the glitter is still on my hands. I tried to take it off, but it would not come off. So I never touched this before, so let's see how it is. Oh, I forgot I had to take out this little thing. So I finally took it off, and this is what it looks like. It's so clear and thick. What? I did not expect this. It's really good. It's super thick. It's a super clear, thick slime. You can see my fingers through it. I'm so amazed. Let's take it all out and do like a little table. ASMR. Now let's add in the pink clay and then I'll do a close-up of ASMR mixing it in. It's super fun. So it's actually, the clay kind of made it tougher, so it's really not that stretchy anymore, but I think I would rate this for satisfyingness or altogether. I think I would rate it a 6 out of 10 because it lost its stretchiness when you added in the clay. But overall, it's a really good stretchy slime. So the next one is called a unicorn fluffy. It says it's scented and it has little unicorn flakes. So let's open this one up. So let's open it. Oh, that's nice. It's just little unicorn glitters. And let's see what this is scented like. It smells like a mixture of Tide and blueberries. It's a really great combination. But it still has that chemically under scent, but let's see how thick and stretchy it is. Oh wow. This one's almost the same texture as the yellow one. Oh, this one's actually kind of softer. Wow, this one's super fun. So now let's add in the unicorn glitters and see how it is. So I would rate this one a 8 out of 10 because it's still really stretchy, and I thought that the unicorn horns were gonna poke you since I have some of the glitters and they poked me when I put them inside, but it doesn't. I don't know why. It does feel kind of weird because it's so much glitter, but I mean it's a really good slime. So this is the end of the video. Comment down below which was your favorite, and comment down below if you want me to do a slime makeover for all these slimes. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. But remember, creativity travels everywhere.